Good afternoon, one and all. Today I'm going to explain about online E-Triple e-learning education system. Myself G Savitri. I'm from Computer Science Department. Coming to abstraction. One second. Abstraction. Actually, like normally, I'm going to tell about my topic. Firstly, I want to tell at present in COVID situation, we are facing many problems like net problem, internet low quality and all. By using this application, we can use this application very useful for every student and every even teachers. By using this application, we can it is very helpful for education. For example, like exam time, the use of design and education models to achieve the time efficiency as well as high academic quality. This uh, this is very ex- uh, this is very helpful when exams are near. And this can be what are introduction. Introduction is educational technologies concluding evolving and growing, and this process will continually offer new and interesting advices in our learning environment. This application allows you to manage and learn e-practical and Android devices. The main object of this proposal system is to view practical journal and practical videos through this application.
Savitri,
Yes, ma'am.
you are reading the slides.
No, ma'am. According to that, I'll go and explain, ma'am.
No,
Last time.
no. You see the points. Don't read. You see the points and you explain what is there in that point. Don't read the points.
Yes, ma'am. From first, I should explain or I should continue, ma'am? Ma'am?
Continue.
Yes, ma'am. This introduction tells these Android devices are very helpful for students when it is useful. What are the teachers gives for students before online. Now we can it will be recorded, and this will be very useful for every students before examination time. And time is also very efficiency for this application. Nishita. Implemented system in this system, two persons acts in this: admin and user. Admin example, like teachers. What are teachers will explain in this app. Teachers will explain also, they can upload in this app and it will be recorded. When it will be useful now, students can take this, and can be useful in exam time. Like example, like flowchart: start, admin, upload. And this video is uploaded means this how to take this, it will be presented in this flowchart. And user in this user, the videos are in mp4 format, and it is in pdf format. It'll These are selected in two branches like IT and CS department. According to this, we can select in this flowchart. It is explained. Selecting branches, and it is divided, and subjects are divided according to this. Videos are presented. It is in PDF format, in MP4 format. Result and discussion about this in this application. If any PDF is uploaded or any record it is presented, it is shown in the PDF page format, as how it is shown in this picture. Like PDF, like example, if question paper is posted means, like how it will be in PDF format. In this format it is shown in this application. It is very helpful in this Google, in this Android application, in Android devices. And next, if before one is images, and next, now at present in the screen it is presented as video. If video it is uploaded means, how we can be presented means, like it can be uploaded in YouTube, or it can be helpful in further in exam time application. This Android application in this is present. Next, literature survey means as seen a learning in this Android operation. This is the develop he is the development in this learning and a medium application has very which every communication is done between this Asian, and paper is mainly focused on this Asian communication because it's beginning part of very part of community. In this Android application for learning literature is using very several videos and several images are presented in this application. It will be helpful when before examination time it can be taken and it can be read by every student and every teachers, and it is very helpful for students for communication in this process, and many of them does not face the problem by using this application. By using this, many of the students can uh, if we are in the absence of online classes, this is very helpful for every students to be preferring this app. And conclusion, uh, by conclusion, this is app helpful for every students before exam. Like example, if we are in the absence of online classment, if we are away from any some net problem, anything also, it is very useful for every students to refer before. Why? Because we can download and we can in the format we can download and we can refer before exams and make very easy for our examination and score very good marks, and even in practical exams also. Reference by Pandi and V. Firis D12s by these persons we are referred, and M. Shell and IEEE train home pages, and this is the last. There is one of the link. It is available in this link, ma'am.
Patient will it be the will this project be Savitri?
Ma'am, ma'am, like example, if net problem, any other problem will be facing na ma'am. Many of them students cannot be having regular net and regular Android systems na ma'am. By this, this will be already recorded in apps, ma'am. When it is useful na, we can take and we can read and we can go through that, ma'am, before exams or when it will be referred for us, ma'am.
Now, if you want the app, you want net now again.
Yes, ma'am. That all I'm saying. Na, Android devices are perfect. Means we need everything, ma'am.
You think that there is no drawback for this?
Ma'am, can I?
You don't have drawback for this project?
Drawback, ma'am.
Hmm.
We have, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, it will be very useful for everyone, ma'am. Like before exams, it will be recorded through like when it will be this apps till the app, ma'am. If
No, you
every
should.
students have this app, means there will be no problem by this, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
madam.
it can be used sometimes, ma'am.
Did you understand my question?
Ma'am, once more.
See, for everything on the universe, you have advantage, disadvantage, both.
Yes, ma'am.
So I
Ma'am,
am
most of
asking,
the online assignments are limited now, ma'am.
you're not giving chance for me to speak first thing.
Yes, ma'am. Tell.
I am telling you what are the disadvantage of your project.
Ma'am, disadvantage means most of the online assignments are limited to questions that are not objective in nature, na, ma'am. There is only problem for security purpose learning programs. We need even net to download, ma'am. If it will be proper net will be available only, we can download what are the recorded in the tab, na, ma'am. That time only we can be.
Hmm.
But everyone will be not having Android phone due to that.
Hmm. Others, any doubts?
And even storage problem, ma'am. In
Hmm.
phone, in Android phone, limited only storage will be present na, ma'am. According to that only we have to be placed in Android phones.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.